Bill Goudy checking in. Fall is upon us. It's 40 degrees out, and I got a hankering for some squirrel. I want some fresh squirrel. Got my gun sighted in, took it to the range the other day. Let's see if we can get us some, shall we? I just got two. One was eating acorn. The other one, I don't know, was just playing with him, I guess. I only saw the two. I got supper. Let's go get him. There's the other one. Right over there. Supper. Yeah. Looks like both of them were headshots. Just the way I like them. Hey, thank you, Melissa. And pardon my, I don't say many bad words on my channel just because I got a lot of young viewers and my grandkids and a lot of other youngsters. But, hey, that's the name of it. Special shit. I'm going to use it. It looks so good. The ingredients is salt and pepper, granulated garlic, paprika. It has some sugar in it. Granulated onion, chili powder, plain meat tenderizer, and calcium cerate, which is to keep it from caking. But yeah, this is the special stuff, and that's what I'm going to use. Normally, I use Lowry's seasoning salt, and I just got to try this. I really do. So I'm going to sprinkle this on liberally, and then I'll deep fry it. You know, a lot of people would throw this piece away, but this is the center portion with the belly flap, and I'm telling you, and then it's got the back loin on there. Oh, this is my favorite part. It really is. This upper part doesn't have a lot of meat on the ribs. You get a little bit off the shoulder, but I don't throw none of that away. A lot of people do, but I don't. I like to all cook it, and that will be so good. I'm getting hungry. That's you know what? That shit smells good. Sorry, couldn't help myself. This is what I'm going to use to cook them in. A little peanut oil. And this is my original Dutch oven, my tech sport. Getting a little rust on it. I'll use it on this. I'm going to use this burner. It's supposed to rain tonight, and I'm hoping I'll beat the rain before it gets ready. But this is the Camp Chef, and I want to show you that Dutch oven bottom is flat, doesn't have legs on it like a Camp Made Dutch oven does. And you can see that this tech sport is domed. It's not designed to have charcoal on the top like the Camp Made. So this is ideal for this type of cooking. Now, you know, a lot of times they do it over the campfire, but because of the rain, the chance of rain, and because of it's 41 degrees, I just think it'll be easier to have and maintain the temperature without doing it over the campfire. That's what I'm going to do. This is my Camp Made Dutch oven. I just want to compare it to that tech sport. That tech sport was my first Dutch oven, and look, yeah, those are the Camp Made accessories, and the lid holder and the tool, the flip grill. All those things will work with that tech sport, and that lid on that tech sport works as the griddle as well. So you can buy just that without having to buy the Camp Made Dutch oven. And this Dutch oven comes, I don't know, can you see that it has legs on it? Can you see the legs? And it doesn't work as good on that Camp Chef stove. That's why I'm using the old tech sport. But yeah, they both have their advantages. I like the Camp Made stuff, I really do. But I really think in this application, yeah, tech sport's going to win. You know, one other thing I like about the tech sport that the Camp Made doesn't have, look at that. They have a little divot in their handle, and I'd like to see Camp Made do that as well, because there's a lot of times I hang my pot. You see, the Camp Made is totally round, yeah, and it's not always self-centering, where this does center right on there. Yeah, it has the tipper and all that. This does not have the legs on it, so it works better for this application. Well, those legs would fit down through here. You know, it's just a pain in the rear end. Not have to worry about it. You want any Camp Made stuff, I'll put a link below. Follow it. And I think right now they got $50, anything over $50 orders, free shipping. You can't beat that. No. Follow that link. Get you some Camp Made stuff. Tell them Bill Goudy sent you. Yeah. It's 40 degrees outside. It's times like this that I miss my old friend Bulldog Bill. He'd be right here with me, I tell you. Yeah, we'd be cooking out, doing this kind of stuff under these kind of conditions. That's for sure. Yeah, and you know what else? He'd be supplying the squirrels too. Well, that's to me now. Let's get to cooking, shall we? I'm getting hungry. That's the meat of 2 squirrels in that bag right there with my special shit. Yeah. Yeah, sorry kids, but that's what they call it. It's a seasoning And Melissa sent that to me. Let's see. Yeah. Can you see that? The oil is not quite. I want to get to 350, 360 right in there. But we're getting there. Sorry, I run out of light. You're going to hear me. Yes, you are. Look at the goodness. Let's dig into that, shall we? Hey, look. That's my mashed cauliflower. But I put equal amounts. Let me get my fork out here. I put equal amounts of broccoli in there. I boiled it and then I mashed it. So I got cauliflower and broccoli with my onion and garlic and, all my mushrooms, all my regular stuff. It looks good. I can't smell any difference. Oh, I can taste the difference though. That is so smooth. I just love that stuff. That is good. This is my favorite piece. Look at the skin. I love that belly skin. It's like bacon. It's tough, but it's good. Wow. That is good shit. Pardon me, kids. Oh, that is good. Look at that. That is very good. And those little flaps, of skin. Oh, they don't get no fresher. Oh, that is so good. I want to say a special thanks to Melissa for sending me that seasoning. That is awesome. It really is. And that salad. Look at that. Blue cheese dressing and a little Italian cheese on there. A blend. That is so good.